Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all about a brand new style from MZ Wallace. Before I get started going through all of the details of this gorgeous new bag from MZ Wallace, I wanted to let you know that today's video is in collaboration with my dear friend Nicole, who is Hello Happy Mom here on YouTube. We're both actually going to be reviewing this bag here and packing it up, showing you how we pack it, and also doing a quick comparison to the Bowery Quatro Tote. This here is the Quatro Metro Tote, or Metro Quatro Tote. I'm not sure which one's first, but it is a Mother's Day exclusive limited edition bag from MZ Wallace that I absolutely love. I knew the minute they released it that I was going to like it because I absolutely love the Bowery Quatro Tote. I think that it is a great style. It's easy to pack up and it's so comfortable. I really hope that this particular style in the Quatro Tote stays around and they continue to release additional colors. But let's go ahead and just kind of go through this one really briefly before I show you how I pack it up. It is exactly the same as the regular Bowery Quatro Tote, except for the material that it's made out of. It is in the Metro collection, so you have this nice quilted fabric. I'm not sure which one I like more. I'm hard pressed to decide. I love the skinny straps here in this Metro collection type material. I think that they're so crazy comfortable, and I love the fact that they still added on this leather detailing in the top of the straps like they do with the Metro collection. I think that it just adds something and it makes it really easy to carry. So the drop length on the Quatro Tote is nice and generous. You can easily throw this over your shoulder and carry it. Then you also have a couple of additional things that come with your bag. You have an optional crossbody or messenger type strap, and you have the additional little ring here on the strap that you can attach your MZ Wallace link pouches to, your keys, any type of small clip pouch, maybe even a small wallet. So you definitely have that option. I love that the hardware on this bag is the black hardware, just similar to my medium Sutton that was in the same black. I love it. I like that the leather is also still trimmed in the signature red lining, and then the strap is easily adjustable. So if you want to carry it crossbody, if you want to just have it as a little bit different of a shoulder strap, you have that option with this here. Another accessory that comes with your bag is the signature little pouch that are in most of the other MZ Wallace bags. You have a nice big chunky zipper, which is signature on their Metro bags. I was so pleasantly surprised to see that this was not just a plain black pouch, but on the inside of it, you have the same lining color that is on the inside of the bag. I loved this. I was just so excited that it wasn't just completely black. So this lining is a gorgeous, it's not really a hot pink. It's almost like a magenta in my opinion. It's hard to capture, but it's definitely not quite as bright as like a bubblegum type pink. It's a really, really pretty shade. And I think it just adds something to this classic black bag. On the exterior of this bag, you have 4 awesome pockets that are really, really deep. They go the entire length down here on the bottom of the bag. And then you also have a little feet protection down here. These are black feet, so they blend in with your bag. So your bag's not sitting completely on the bottom of the floor. But in addition to these 4 pockets here that you have on the outside of the Quatro style, you also have 2 exterior zipper pockets here at the top, which are great. I love these pockets. I think that they are a great design feature from MZ Wallace. They go so deep down inside the bag. You can really put almost anything inside these pockets, but they're great because it just kind of adds that little bit more of organization to the big bulk of the bag. I love having all the exterior pockets. So this here is what the inside looks like. It's pretty standard for MZ Wallace. You have your awesome zipper pocket back here with your 2 interior pockets, and then you have the 2 pockets here on the front. So that is a quick little overview of what this bag here looks like. Those of you that might not be familiar with the Quatro style. This here is what the bag looks like next to the Bowery Collection Quattro, which is kind of the original one. They are literally exactly the same as far as the style and the setup, but obviously the material is different on the bag, and you have a couple of different color options in this Bowery collection. Like I said earlier, I'm really not sure which one I love more because I'm such a fan of the Metro line and MZ Wallace, but I also equally like this Bowery collection. It's really, really soft and squishy type fabric. The straps are obviously a bit different. These are full leather straps. They are a little bit thinner than the straps that you have here on the Metro option. So that's just kind of something to note there. And then the zippers on the Bowery line here are a metal type zipper, whereas of course on the Metro one, you have the nice big like plastic chunky zippers. So again, I feel like this one is just a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more like everyday type casual look. Not that this one couldn't be that, but I feel like you could really make this a little bit more sophisticated and classy. It just kind of looks that way, I guess, with the materials that they used and the leather pulls and the style overall of the Bowery collection. But again, it's just personal preference, and don't ask me to pick which one is my favorite because I really, really do like both of them. Let's go ahead and get in to the Metro Quattro. I have it all packed up for you guys, and I want to show you how I've been carrying it. I went ahead and detached the optional crossbody strap here on the bag so that I can not have it flopping around as I'm going through the bag. And then of course I wanted to show you what I have packed inside this MZ Wallace large link pouch. I love these. You guys see them in pretty much all my videos. This here is the large size, and it is the perfect size for my Touchland hand sanitizer. Touchland does make neoprene sleeves that actually have little loops on them that you can attach them to your bags, but I just think that this link pouch is the perfect size, and I can repurpose this for other things as well, but it fits perfectly inside here. It's just a Power Mist hand sanitizer spray that I really like. In these exterior pockets, I obviously have things that I tend to grab for pretty quickly. I keep my small Crosby wallet tucked down in here. It is an awesome fit. I would venture to say that the large Crosby would also fit really well down in here. There's still a good bit of room here at the top of the wallet, so I think any large wallet size would be fine in any of these exterior pockets. I've gotten a couple requests to do a video solely on this wallet and kind of more details and how it packs up. Let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. Over in this other pocket tucked down in here, I just have a mini silicone pouch from Venture. I love this new pastel marble color that they have for spring. I think that it's so pretty. I love all of the colors. There's pinks and black and gray and light blue. They have a large silicone pouch, and then they also have this mini size. I'm a fan of the mini size. I think it just fits all my little kind of odds and ends really perfectly, and it's a great pouch for face masks if you want to keep them kind of protected from the rest of your stuff inside your bag. Inside here, I just have like my Tarte lip gloss. I don't wear a lot of lip color, but I really tend to like these. They're just very kind of light in color, so I have that tucked down in there. I also have a hair tie, tons of different, I have my pillowcase, chapsticks down in here. Like I said, it's just stuff that I kind of grab for all the time. I have a nail file, and some more hair ties. So that just gives you an idea of what will fit down inside here. I love it because I can just grab and go and have everything that I need right here. Moving on to these two pockets here that are still kind of in the exterior of the bag before I move into the big bulk part. In this one here, I like to throw in all of my face masks. This is such a deep pocket. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, so I can really stuff it full. Right now, I just have 2 for my son and one of these Kitsch face masks for me, but I've been able to put face masks in here for the entire family, like 1 or 2, just depending on where we're going, if we're gonna need like backups and things like that. So I just find that it is a great pocket for that. Then in this pocket here, which is exactly the same, just on the front of the bag, I put a few of my electronic things. I have my small link pouch, and this one here is in the pretty red dahlia print. I love it. And then inside here, I just have my earbuds. So those are tucked down in there. And then I have my portable charger. So it's kind of like all of my tech things in one. Moving on to the main bulk of the bag. I love how chunky and nice these Metro zippers are. They are definitely some of my favorites. I don't have this bag packed very full. I can easily put another pouch or two in here if I need to. Like I kind of said earlier, I try to leave a little bit of these tote bags like not stuffed to the max, because it never fails. I have a kid that hands me a book or hands me their little Nintendo or whatever the case is. So I like to leave as much of extra room as I possibly can. But packed in here for right now, I just have my hand cream tucked over here in the side of the bag. This is a long, skinny like type hand cream and I love it. It is a coconut, avocado type scent. It's so hard to explain, but it's one of my favorites. I'll have all this linked below. But also right here standing up, I have my Erin Condren notebook. This is a 7x9 size. And then right in front of that, I have my simplified weekly planner. Then the only other thing that I have in the main opening here of the bag is the medium pouch from Lily Jade. This set is a set of 3 pouches for those of you that might not know about them. There's tons of different colors, but they are clear on one side and then the back is just like a canvas material of different types of colors. Like they have black and red and blue and gray and yellow. I love them, especially if I want to pack like very, very slim in my bag. This is a great size for my kids' activities. So I'm able to just kind of pop this in and out as I need it. I have some scented crayons in here, cars for my son, cards for my older kids to play with, mini notebooks, and then you wouldn't even know all of the other stuff that I have back in here. Word search, Sudoku, coloring books. It's a great kind of all-purpose pouch, and I'm able to throw a granola bar or 2 in there if I need to. You do have a key leash inside this bag here, which I typically will attach the link pouches to. I love to put the hand sanitizer one, which is my large link pouch, attached to these just so they don't go missing. I tend to be pulling it out of my bag like all the time, but with that optional strap there on the outside, it already has that loop for me. So if I don't have the strap on the bag, I will go ahead and put it inside this key leash on the inside. Here on the back of the bag, you do have the standard MZ Wallace zipper pocket here with the nice MZ Wallace logo. It's trimmed in leather. And then inside here, I actually have a couple of things. I tend to leave this zipper pocket open on a lot of my bags, but this time I went ahead and packed some things in it. I have my wet ones and tissues. And then I have 2 pockets here in this zipper pocket, which is kind of a standard setup for MZ Wallace bags. But over here in this one, I have a couple of packets of things. I know that might sound weird, but I have a couple of these water flavors, emergency packs, and then eyeglass wipes for mine or my daughter's eyeglasses. In this one over here, I actually have things mainly for my daughter, but I have a pack of hair ties if we need them. And then I also have a on-the-go like travel hairbrush. This stuff I'll usually sometimes keep in a small cosmetic bag, but I decided to kind of give it a go with this pocket back here. So that's what I had in that one here, and nothing else inside this back zipper pocket. Last but not least, we'll turn the bag around to these front 2 pockets. I have my Erin Condren pencil pouch right here with my little family photo fob attached to it here. And then inside here, I just have a couple of pens and a highlighter and things like that if my kids need them for like the word search book or my planner or notebook. And then right next to it here, I have my sunglasses. These are made by the brand Limea. I'll have them linked below. And then I have just a kind granola bar in there if I need it. And I think that might be all. Oh, I have a little fruit strip also. So it's kind of like a little snack pocket, if you will. So that is everything I have packed up inside of this MZ Wallace Quatro Metro Tote. I love it so much. I really, really enjoy this bag, and I hope that they continue to make this style in more colors. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I will have everything linked below in the description box. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.